Hello everyone, welcome to the third week of American Government. Hope you've had a good week so far. It is Wednesday and I'm posting a video just to go over a few things and also point some things out to you. So this week, as I mentioned last week, is your first exam over chapters 1 through 4. And I did provide a study guide here you can see on the screen. Sorry, trying to get the screen set right. My apologies. You can see here on the screen, so make sure you go up before you take the test. And I want to go over your weekly assignments as well, just to highlight some things. In here, your week 1 test is worth 100 points. Again, you don't have a quiz this week, but you do have your discussion posting still. In the you have chapters 5 and 6 to read as well, in PowerPoints. In the assignment folder, notice your exam is due Monday morning at 5:59 a.m. and that is Memorial Day weekend here in the United States, but that is due Monday 5:59. Week 3 discussion, as always, your first discussion is due Thursday by 11:59 p.m. and your response post to a student is due by 5:59 a.m. Monday morning again. So make sure you are aware of those deadlines. Going back to the assignment area, notice that I've posted 4 videos from Crash Course in Government, and then also, 3 videos. I don't know why that's there. My apologies. 3 videos on Crash Course in Government. The first one here on federalism, we'll go with chapter 5, and the last 2 talk about public opinion in the media, and those 2 go with chapter 6, and they highlight some of the things in those chapters. I apologize, I have an itch in my eye. So view those PowerPoints when you're going over chapters 5 and 6 as well. You guys are doing a great job so far on your discussion postings. Make sure that if you didn't receive all your points that you read my comments as to why you may have missed some points. One point I will also make is that on Week 2 quiz, there was a section in which there was a question, I should say, that had several answers to it. And if you got some of those wrong, then I have gone back and corrected them, because what it did is looking for the exact word. And so I went back and adjusted those questions to give points when due. But that's been taken care of, so your grade for your quiz, as I'm finishing those up, should be reflective of that. I'm going back in again and adjusting those as I go. If you have any questions for the week, please let me know. Looking ahead, let's look ahead to next week just to kind of keep on top of things. Next week we'll be at the midpoint of the course, already halfway through it. Next week in your assignment folder you have a discussion quiz, but you also have your first current event paper. And I want to look at that here briefly. So let's pull those guidelines up, take a look at that. Pick an event that has occurred in the United States in the last 12 months that is happening in American politics. You have to read at least 2 news articles from 2 different sources regarding the event you have chosen. And then you're going to write a 2-page paper that you are using then to summarize, sorry, I have to choose my words carefully there, that you're using to summarize the event or the events and how that relates to what we've covered in the textbook so far. So basically, as number 5 says on those first 5 guidelines, does the event support what the textbook said? Or does it undermine what the textbook said? Why and how? And then you can see the grading rubric there as well, mechanics, summary, analysis. And you can use the Wall Street Journal, you can use CNN, Fox News. You also, as you see in point 4 there, should have a mini works cited page that can be an APA style or MLA style. Either one is fine for choosing. So go through these guidelines, make sure you're familiar with them, take note of them. If you have any questions about them, let me know. Again, this is for next week. One other thing I will point out to you, that is due Thursday at 5:59. So when you can, I would work ahead on this. Remember, each week actually opens up on Friday, so you can look at these guidelines again on Friday to get an initial idea about them. I'm here to help. If you have any questions or concerns about your current event paper, please let me know. I'll be glad to get back with you. Best wishes on your exam. Praying for you guys, and I hope you have a blessed week.